This is a deadlift video for beginners. Coaches say, take the bar, brace, and lift. But if you don't know how to brace, what does that actually mean? When you're bracing, you're actually pushing your belly out. If this can was still sealed at the top, and it had all the air bubbles inside it and all the pressure in the can, I would not be able to do this because it has all the air inside creating pressure. I can, from here to here, and this is sealed. I'm gonna put all the air bubbles inside, seal the can, and then it creates pressure inside you. The minute you let the air out by opening the can, insert sound effect. The minute you open the can and the air comes out, I can squash it. And this is like your body. You let the air come out, just go all loose and soft. That's what she said. And it doesn't work. It doesn't keep you tight and it doesn't keep you braced. So bracing is imagining like a can of Coke with all of the air inside you. Let's move on.